Good morning, students. Today we are going to read lesson number 8 of N, page number 87. When the board members visited the poor house once in a while, the beadle means a church officer, would be sent a day in advance, and on the day of inspection, the children were all neat and clean and given decent means good food by the members. And when the board member, it means the person who are taking the care of the orphanage, and when that the board members they came to the orphanage once in a while, only for some time. Okay, the beadle means a church officer. He was sent already one day in advance, and on the day of inspection, and on the day when the board members came to check, inspection means to check the children, that day all the children were neat and clean, and they all were given good food by the members. Though 9 years of age, Oliver remained short and thin, and now the Oliver was 9 years old, but still he was short and thin. The beadle means church officer. The beadle, Mr. Bumble. What is the name of officer? Beadle officer. The name of the beadle is Mr. Bumble. Happened to come and saw that the Oliver and the two other kids had been flogged. Flogged means beaten with stick and locked up. And when the Mr. Bumble he came, and then he saw that the Oliver and the two other children they were getting beaten with the stick and they were locked up. He said to Mrs. Mann, who was the Mrs. Mann? She was the lady in charge. In charge was there, okay. And he said to Mrs. Mann that Oliver is 9 years old today. That the Oliver is today 9 years old. The parish means church doctor. The parish has no idea who is father and mother, and still they didn't know who was his father and mother. The board on this ground want to send him away from the poor house, saying that he is too old to be there. And now the board members they have decided that they will send the Oliver far away from the poor house because he was too old to live there. Oliver had no option but to follow Mr. Bumble to another workhouse where a meeting was on. And Oliver he didn't have any other option, and he have to listen. He have to follow the Mr. Bumble, and he had to go to the another place workhouse. Okay, where they was getting a meeting. Okay, now he was removed from the poor house and he came to the workhouse place. Mr. Bumble. He spoke sternly. Stern means rudely. Mr. Bumble spoke very rudely to Oliver. Bow to the board. Bow means give the respect to the board by wishing. Oliver did as he was told, and the Oliver gave the respect to all the person. What is your name? Asked one of the members. And from the board of members, one person asked him, what is your name? He answered, Oliver, and the Oliver replied that his name is Oliver. Between sob means bache, that he was crying, and in crying he was his voice was breaking down. Okay, so with the weeping he said that my name is Oliver. The board member continued, and the board member they continue their conversation. You know you are an orphan. You were brought up by the parish, weren't you? And the board member said to the Oliver that you know that you are an orphan, and you also know that, and maybe you also know that you have been brought here by the parish doctor. Yes, sir, replied the boy weeping. And the Oliver he was still weeping, and he said, yes, I know. You are here to be educated and to learn a useful trade. And then the board member said to Oliver that you have come here in a workhouse to be educated. What educated? That how to do the useful trade, because they brought him there to give him education for any work. From tomorrow, you will wake up early and pick oakum at 6 o'clock. Oakum means bache loose fiber. Okay, that was got from the ropes. All ropes are there. Loose fiber got from all ropes. All ropes are there. When we untwisted them, then it open. Okay, and that is called a Occam. Okay, then the board member said him that from tomorrow you will wake up in the morning 6 o'clock and you will collect all that loose thin ropes. He was led means took away to a large ward means room, and then they took him to the last room. The little boy was lonelier than ever and sobbed himself to sleep on a rough hard bed. And the little boy, first of all he was lonely, but now he was feeling much lonelier, okay, than ever, and sobbed himself, and still he was weeping to sleep on a rough hard bed, and he had to sleep on a very rough means very hard, okay, bed. One day the little orphans gathered means collected together for their usual evening meal. Meal means food. Thin soup with an occasional small slice of bread. And one day all the orphans children, they were together for their evening food. Okay, and for the evening meal they are getting the thin soup, and sometime they are getting with the thin soup they are getting the slice of a bread. Only sometimes they are getting a slice of bread. Each of them was handed a bowl of his glor means soup, and all the children have their bowl of soup, which they glob means ate greedily up, as they were always hunger. And when they are getting their soup, they ate the soup so greedily, okay, so greedily, because they always felt very hungry. Often they were overcome with hunger, because sometimes they have to stay hungry. The kids decided to draw lots of on this day, and so that's why, because they have to remain hungry for some days, so they decided that on the day when they are getting their evening meal, how much they can take the soup they take. And it fell to Oliver, and Oliver also tried this to approach the master for more food. And the Oliver also wanted to take the more soup, so taking the more soup, he went to the master.